Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify drag and drop sections with Dawn, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable drag and drop sections in Shopify using the Dawn theme, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store. Next, select Themes from the drop-down menu. Look for the Dawn theme under the Current Theme section. Click on the Customize button near the Dawn theme's thumbnail. You will be directed to the Theme Editor interface. In the top left corner, check that the correct page is selected for editing. Choose the home page if you want to enable sections there. Next, look for the option to add a new section. Click on the Add Section button. You will see a list of available sections. Select the section you want to add, such as Image with Text, Slideshow, or Featured Collection. Once you've selected a section, you can adjust settings like text, images, and layouts within the section. To rearrange your sections, click and drag the section to your desired location. Feel free to add multiple sections to create a unique layout. After making all your changes, preview your store to ensure everything looks right. Once satisfied, click on the Save button at the top right of the editor. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled and customized drag and drop sections in Shopify using the Dawn theme. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.